The problem appears, and before you have finished reading the last sentence, your hands are already on the keyboard. You're typing a function name, you're opening a bracket, you think you're starting, but you're not starting, you're drowning. Here's what happens when you write code too early. Your brain stops solving the problem and starts managing syntax. You're thinking about variable name, indentation, and return types. Half your mental energy is now on grammar, not logic. The actual problem, the one you need to solve, gets buried under the noise of the code. Think about it in this way. If you were designing a bridge, you wouldn't grab a welding torch and just start. You'd sketch it. You'd check the measurements, you'd verify the load. The torch comes last. Code is the torch. The thinking is the sketch. Most people skip the sketch. Changing a sketch in a notebook is free. Changing a nested loop you have already written costs times, and worse, it costs the emotional attachment you have built to that wrong idea. You won't delete it. You'll spend 10 minutes on it. Hands off the keyboard. Solve it in your head, solve it on paper, only then write the code. Let's make this visceral. The input is a list, the output is the maximum. Before you write a single line, solve it in English. I look at the each number and track the biggest one I have seen. The sentence is your entire algorithm. Now, look at that in English sentence. It has a loop, it has a comparison, it has a variable. The code writes itself from the logic, not the other way around. Check the next element. Is it bigger than the current best? Update if yes. Move on if no. That's it. But most people only discover this structure after their code breaks, not before they start. If you can't explain the solution in plain English, you can't code it correctly. The explanation is the prerequisite, not an afterthought. Close the IDE, open a notepad, or nothing at all. Think through the problem. Talk through it if that helps. The solution should exist in your head before it exists in a file. Think before you type. This is not a principle about speed, it's a principle about quality. The programmer who thinks for 2 minutes before typing writes fewer words than the one who types for 20. Stop coding, start solving. Those are different activities. One produces text files, the other produces solutions. The keyboard is the last tool you reach for, not the first.